Now I'm going to show you how to make a granny square. So to start, we'll work a slip knot. And then insert the hook and pull to secure. And then we're going to work 4 chains. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to insert the hook into the first chain that you worked. Which can be a bit tricky. And join with a slip stitch. So you just wrap round and pull through everything that's on the hook. And then you can see that you've got a tiny circle to work with. So to start the first round, we're going to do 3 more chains. And then we're going to work a treble into the centre. So you want to wrap around the hook once, and then go into the centre, wrap around the hook, pull through the centre, and then you've got your 3 loops. Wrap round and pull through 2 loops, and then wrap round and pull through the last 2. And then you can see you've got your first chain and your first stitch. Now I'm just going to work another treble into the centre. Then that is the first side of your granny square. Next we're going to work 2 chains, so just wrap round and pull through. Now we're going to work 3 more trebles into the centre. And now you can see you've got 2 sides of the square. So we're going to do 2 more chains. And then 3 more trebles into the centre. Now we've got 3 sides, so we're just going to do 2 more chains, and then 3 more trebles into the centre. Now we've got all 4 sides, and then to finish off the last corner, just do 2 more chains, and then we want to slip stitch into the top of the 3 chain. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Just insert your hook in. It can be a little bit fiddly. And just wrap round and pull through. And that is your square. And then just fasten off by cutting the yarn and then pulling through the last loop. And that is the beginning of your granny square. To start round 2, we're going to begin again with a slip knot. And we're going to work 3 chains into any of the corners. It doesn't matter where you start, we'll just do 3 chains. We've just got 1, 2, 3. And then into this same corner space, we're going to work 2 more trebles, 2 chains, and 3 more trebles. So first we'll just do So here we've got our 2 trebles and our first chain, which does count as a stitch in this pattern. And then we're going to work 2 more chains. And then 3 more trebles into that same corner space. And that is the first corner complete. So now we're going to skip over and start working into the next corner space. So we're going to do 3 trebles, 2 chains, and 3 trebles into the same space. You've got your first 3 trebles, so then we'll do the 2 chain, which is the corner, and then 3 more trebles into the same space. Now you can see you've got your first side of the square done. So again, we're going to do the same into the next corner space. So we'll just start with the 3 trebles. Now we've got 3 sides complete. So again, we're just going to do the same into the final corner. We'll do our 3 trebles, 2 chains, and 3 trebles. There you go. And then to finish off, we just need to do a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the beginning. Just insert the hook, wrap round and just pull through and then pull through. And just cut the end. and pull through. And that's the second round. So for round 3, we'll just start again with a slip knot. And again, we're just going to work 3 chains into one of the corner spaces. So we'll just start here, so there's 3 chains. And as we're in a corner, we're going to do the same that we did on round 2. So we're just going to do 2 more trebles. Two chains, and then 3 more trebles into the corner. Now that the square is getting bigger, we're starting to get straight edges. So instead of working another corner space, we're just going to go into this center space and just do 3 trebles. And now our next space is another corner again, so we're going to do our 3 trebles, 2 chains and 3 trebles. So we've got our 3 trebles there, so 2 more chains, and then another 3 trebles into that corner. And now onto a chain. The next space is on a straight, so we're just going to do our 3 trebles. And you continue like this till you get back to the beginning. So in every corner space you do 3 trebles, 2 chains, 3 trebles, and in every space that's on a straight you do 3 trebles. And you continue like this on every round until your granny square is as big as you want it to be. Now we've done our final corner and we're just back onto the last straight. So I'll just do the last 3 trebles. Just pull through to secure. There's a granny square.